One of the major suppliers of seafarers in the world is the Philippines. This is because of the advanced facilities used in universities that enhances and sharpens the knowledge and skills of every cadets. Machines play a vital role in shipbuilding because it won't be able to function and run without machines that surrounds in it. Welcome to University of Cebu Maritime Education and Training Center presents Machine Shop, which has 8 areas. Number 1. Lathe Machine Laboratory. Lathe machines are machines in which a piece of wood or metal is held and turned while being shaped by a sharp tool. It enhances the students' skills and abilities in metalwork. Next is the purifier. Purifier is a device that frees something of extraneous, contaminating, or degassing matter. Number 3. Generator. Generator is a device that converts mechanical energy to electrical energy. It is very important to have generator in the ship because if electricity fails, then generator is the other way to provide power. Number 4. Steam power plant. Steam power plant is designed to convert the heat from the combustion of the fuel into mechanical energy by means of steam. Mechanical energy is generally not the end product of a steam power plant, but it's transformed by electric power, which is then transmitted to the consumer. Number 5. Engine Overhaul Laboratory. Engine overhaul is an engine which has been removed, disassembled, cleaned, inspected, repaired as necessary, and tested using factory service manual approved procedures. The procedures generally involves new pistons, rings, bearings, gaskets, and oil seals. Number 6. Shaping Machine Laboratory. Shaping machine is used to machine surface. It can cut curves, angles, and many other shapes. It is popular machine in a workshop because its movement is very simple, although it can produce a variety of work. Number 7. Milling Machine Laboratory. Milling machine is a machining process of using rotary cutters to remove material from a workpiece by advancing or feeding in a direction at an angle with the axis of the tool. It covers a wide variety of different operations and machines on scales from small individual parts to large heavy-duty gang milling operations. And lastly is the bench vise area. Bench vise is a holding device attached to a workbench that has 2 jaws to hold workpiece firmly in place. Machine shop help the engine cadets enhance their abilities and enables them to manipulate and manage more in terms of machines. Having an advanced facilities can make the school be more progressive and produce competent individuals.